Hello, sailors! We set sail on the Schooner Virginia again! Our friend Charles buzzed by and provided us with this video clip of the schooner sailing majestically. I love waving so much that I had to switch sides. We sailed along the river for a while. We're greeted very fondly by the other local ships, who are happy to see the Virginia on the water again after her restoration. We tacked, and we sailed back. I stole the wheel for a few seconds. I didn't exactly have permission, so I held the course. We lowered the sails and tidied the ship.
I like it.
Looking pro. Then it was quite a feat to dock in the basin at Sail Nauticus between the Wisconsin and the cruise ship pier. It's very close quarters for a 122-foot ship, but Captain Eric does it with ease. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next week. Here's some bonus footage. We watched the fireworks on the schooner on the 4th of July. It was absolutely the best view on the entire river, and a nice reward for the volunteers who spent all winter restoring the ship. Bye!